Buckle up, folks, because today we're taking a deep dive into the world of AI. And things are moving so fast, it's hard to keep up. But that's what we're here to break it all down for you. We're focusing on two brand new projects that have the potential to change how we interact with machines. That's right, the Forge Reasoning API and Nous Chat. Now, just imagine AI that can reason through problems like we do, solve those really complex tasks, and even write code. It's almost like having a super intelligent partner, helping you out with anything and everything you need. So first, let's break down this Forge Reasoning API. This thing is designed to make those existing language models even smarter, like giving your favorite AI a major brain boost, So now it can reason, it can solve complex problems, and even write code. And one of the coolest things about Forge is its flexibility. You're not stuck with just one language model. Developers can use it with a whole bunch of different models, like Hermes 3, Claude Sonnet 3.5, Gemini, and even GPT-4. And that means they can pick and choose the best models for their specific needs, or even combine different models for a more diverse output. Pretty neat, right? But how does Forge actually do all of this? Well, it's all thanks to its innovative reasoning layer, which incorporates three powerful architectures: Monte Carlo Tree Search, we'll call it MCTS for short. Then there's Chain of Code, or Cosine Phi. And finally, Mixture of Agents, MoA. So let's unpack these a bit further, shall we? First up, MCTS. Think of it like a master strategist. It explores tons of potential solutions to a problem and gets better with each attempt. Then we have Cosine Phi. That's our code whiz, connecting chains of thought with a code interpreter. It can tackle those complex math and coding problems because it understands the logic behind the numbers and symbols. And lastly, there's MoA, all about teamwork, letting multiple AI models work together, each model bringing its own unique strengths to the table. Kind of like a team of experts collaborating on a project. So what does all this mean for you and me? Essentially, it's creating an AI system that can reason more effectively, come up with more creative solutions, and ultimately provide much more comprehensive answers to those complex questions. Okay, now let's shift gears to Nous Chat. This is a platform built to showcase the power of the Hermes 370B language model. Now, Hermes 3 is known for its expressiveness, its long-form thinking, and its ability to adapt to individual users. Pretty cool, right? So with Nous Chat, you can have a direct conversation with Hermes 3 and experience its advanced capabilities, all in a way that feels totally natural. So say you want to analyze some information, brainstorm some ideas, or just have a nice thought-provoking conversation. Nous Chat provides the perfect environment for all of that. One of the most impressive things about Forge is how well it performs. Tests actually show that when you pair Hermes 70B with Forge, it can compete with much larger models. We're talking models from those giants like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic. And in a really tough math competition, it's called the MA-ME evaluation. Hermes 70B with Forge actually outperforms some of the biggest models out there. Yeah, that's huge. It really shows that Forge can make even smaller models incredibly powerful. Now, the Forge Reasoning API is currently in beta testing, giving those developers and researchers a chance to explore its potential and give some feedback. And this beta version is focused on single-turn capabilities, but they plan to expand it quickly based on what they learn from those users. But Nous Chat, that's already available for free, so you can go try it out right now and experience the power of Hermes 3 for yourself. It's all about making this cutting-edge AI accessible and letting people explore these new technologies. With its focus on reasoning and user-friendly interfaces, Nous Research is really paving the way for a future where AI is more than just a tool. It's becoming a collaborative partner, understanding our needs, helping us solve tough problems, and even inspiring us with new ideas. The arrival of both the Forge Reasoning API and Nous Chat really does feel like a major step forward in AI technology. I mean, they have the potential to make those AI systems more powerful, but also much easier to use. But what makes these projects so groundbreaking, and where do they fit in with the bigger picture of all the advancements happening in AI? To understand the impact of Forge and Nous Chat, we need to look at the challenges that current AI systems face, those traditional language models. They're amazing at generating human-like text, but they often struggle with reasoning, especially when they're dealing with those complex or nuanced problems. Sure, they might be great at summarizing information or translating languages, but ask them to solve a multi-step math problem or write some code, and they often fall short. But that's where Forge comes in. By incorporating those advanced reasoning architectures we talked about earlier, MCTS, TOSI, and MoA, Forge is empowering AI models to go beyond just simple pattern recognition and achieve much deeper levels of understanding. And actual problem solving. It's like giving these models a cognitive upgrade, enabling them to think strategically, break down those complex tasks, and learn from their mistakes. So this enhanced reasoning capability has huge implications. For developers, it means they can build AI applications that are more intelligent, more adaptable, and capable of handling real-world challenges. So imagine AI assistants that can not only schedule your appointments, but they can also help you troubleshoot those technical issues, analyze financial data, or even brainstorm creative solutions for your business. I mean, the possibilities really are endless. And for users, these Forge-powered AI systems offer a much more intuitive and helpful experience. Just think about interacting with chatbots that actually understand your needs. They provide you with accurate information, and they can even anticipate your next question. It's almost like having a conversation with a knowledgeable and helpful friend who's always available to assist you. And Nous Chat, with its user-friendly interface and access to that powerful Hermes 3 language model, really gives us a glimpse into this future. It allows you to experience firsthand the capabilities of an AI system that can hold these meaningful conversations, generate creative text formats, and even assist with research and problem solving. And the fact that Nous Chat is available for free, that's also really significant. I mean, it makes this advanced AI technology accessible to everyone, allowing anyone to explore its potential and contribute to its development. This open approach really encourages innovation and wider adoption of AI, ultimately leading to a much more diverse and inclusive AI ecosystem. So the development of both Forge and Nous Chat really highlights the ingenuity and dedication of the researchers and developers who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. I mean, their work is shaping the future of how we interact with machines, making AI more accessible, more useful, and definitely more integrated into our everyday lives. And as these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even more exciting advancements in the coming years. AI systems will become increasingly sophisticated in their reasoning abilities, able to understand those complex concepts, adapt to new situations, and even exhibit a degree of common sense. I mean, this will usher in a whole new era of human-computer interaction, where AI is not just a tool, but a partner, a collaborator, and even a source of inspiration. This Forge Reasoning API really does change the game when it comes to how we use these large language models, right? It's not just about like asking a model a question and hoping for a decent answer anymore. Forge gives us this framework for strategically finding solutions, using the strengths of different models, and then ultimately generating much more robust and insightful outputs. And this is just the beginning. As more developers get their hands on Forge during this beta testing phase, I think we can expect to see even more innovative applications and breakthroughs. And this tech has the potential to revolutionize fields like scientific research, software development, even creative writing. Imagine AI systems that can help scientists analyze huge amounts of data, generate new hypotheses, and just speed up that pace of discovery. Or think about those AI-powered tools that can help programmers write more efficient code, freeing them up to really focus on the big picture. And then there's the possibilities for writers, where AI could collaborate with authors to brainstorm ideas, develop plot lines, experiment with different writing styles. So the arrival of both Forge and Nous Chat, it really marks this exciting turning point in how we think about and interact with AI. It represents a shift from seeing AI as just a passive tool to recognizing it as an active collaborator, capable of reasoning, problem solving, and even enhancing human creativity. It's a future full of potential, and projects like Forge and Nous Chat are leading the way, empowering us to use AI to solve complex problems, unlock new possibilities, and ultimately create a better future for everyone. So keep an eye on this space, because the journey into the world of AI is just getting started. And the possibilities, well, they truly are limitless.